Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the Nokia 5310. This is such an iconic phone from back in the days. I understand it's almost like many years ago. But today we are having it in here. We're going to be unboxing it, checking it out, what's so special about it, because the 5310 had an iconic sound, and we're going to be checking it out and unbox it and see. This is a refurbished one. It's not the brand new, and yeah, let us just get started. So guys, here's our phone. As you can see, it really well packed. No bad. The box looks a little bit washed up, but no bad. So this is our phone. These are the batteries, and this is the power, and we are left with paperwork. What's so special on it? So this captured my attention so many times through this kind of phone. Right now it feels very small in my hand, but way back it was feeling very good. Okay, we're gonna be inserting our battery throughout our device like that, really nice and clean. And we set up our phone. What's happening, because the Nokia phone was really slick throughout its own self, and the moment of turning it on, if it has juice or not, let's see. So guys, there we have it. This is our device up and running. Really nice from Nokia, and that's the menu. That's how you use it, that's how you explore it through this device. Hope you can see it there, because the lightning and brightness over here is kind of crazy, but the phone looks really nice. The way it is, just the screen is just small in size compared like the phones which we have now, or the Nokia E52. But through the speaker, how is it? Let's check it out. Okay, still not bad. Okay, now another kind of stuff, this kind of phone was really good at it, the music control. You can spot the music control there somewhere here. So whenever you press it, there's no any content because there's no any music. And when you press over here, it's next. This one is previous, and this is play. And it has some volume rocker over here. So whenever you just adjust it, you can spot it there. Really nice. The camera wise was really quite not bad. It was decent. And we're gonna be seeing through the camera how it's really working, so as you guys can see what's happening. So let us just go through the menu and go through all the media and camera. There we go. That's our camera over there. Right now it looks a little bit washed, but that's the camera we had way back. Really cool, from those kind of era throughout 2009, 2007. It was really great, and you can spot it here somewhere. The image looks not bad, a little bit good. I'll post some of the images over here so as you can see what's happening. But by far the phone looks really amazing. I kind of like it the way it is, very small in size compared to the Nokia E52 we reviewed last time. This one looks a little bit differently throughout here. It gives that kind of compactish kind of look and feel throughout the Nokia XpressMusic. Throughout it's kind of iconic. So this one is a refurbished one. You can spot it. It's not that much well built or well kept. It's a little bit spacing here and there. The material wise, not that much genuine, not that much great, but overall can't complain. It's really great. So yeah, this is the Nokia 5310. On the gaming side, it had City Blocks, you have Music Guess and Snake 3. These games, they're working up to now very fine. You can just clutch on this kind of game. As you can see, select the players. If it's one player, gives that kind of 3D kind of look throughout this kind of game, and it's really nice on playing it, and it just gives it a really nice vibe. I really like the Snake game, but it was a little bit of problem throughout playing. I don't know, it's me or something, but it's quite not bad. You just have to be very quickly throughout eating those kind of fruits.
So guys, let's talk about the Nokia 5310 XpressMusic specification. Well, it has a display of 2.1 inch TFT display. It has a camera of 2 megapixels rear camera. Storage side, it has a 30 MB internal storage with an expandable up to 4 GB micro SD. On the battery side, it has 860 mAh, up to 5 hours talk time with 300 hours standby. Network, it has GCM 850 and 2G2 on it. Audio side, it supports MP3, WMA, and AAC player, and alongside of it, it has an FM radio with a dedicated music buttons. It has a built slim 9.9mm body with a 71 grams weight, and it's a candy bar kind of design.
So guys, this is the Nokia 5310, such an amazing iconic phone from back in the days. It has a really nice feel through this phone, and should you consider buying it in 2025? Well, the question and answer is, as your second phone, fine. But as your main phone, if you want to go like off grid, you don't want social media, I think still it's a good phone to consider. And it has a really nice sound quality, not bad at all. And I can say this kind of phone feels really compact. Even if you just throw it on your pocket, you feel like it has disappeared, it's not there 100%. It's such an amazing kind of phone from Nokia. To be honest, Nokia did not compromise anything through this kind of device throughout way back, because it was such a trendy kind of phone with that kind of expressing kind of music throughout those years. So will you consider buying it? Definitely yes, but just know that it's a refurbished one. You won't get that pure one unless you deep dive throughout eBay or you deep dive throughout other platforms whereby somebody might be keeping this kind of device locked in, on the box since those days up to now, which I think there are people who have these kind of phones which they're brand new typically instead of refurbished ones. So that's it about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Nokia 5310. Is it something which you should consider, or is it something which is nostalgic to you, or is it something which you would like to just having it? Did I just put two of the things or three of the things together? Well, I think yes. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. We have hit 7K subs, and thank you to everybody. I'm gonna drop a video soon about it, and we're gonna be talking about it, and I think it's gonna be really great. So up to the next one, guys, adios muchachos and peace.